Naka-invest ba ang pera mo sa mga produktong may kinalaman sa stock market? Nababahala ba kayo every time umaakyat at bumababa ito?
So, this is a major factor. At ito po, ang hatid nito, syempre, higher.
Hi, this is Jung Fernando and I'm from Ramper Financials. Kamusta po kayo mga ka-RFF? I hope everyone's keeping safe and well. Maraming salamat sa patuloy ninyong pagsuporta dito po sa aming channel. Malaking bagay po ito para sa ating lumalaking RFF community nang dahil po sa inyo ay mas marami pa po tayo matutulungang tao. Naka-invest ba ang pera mo sa mga produktong may kinalaman sa stock market? Nababahala ba kayo every time umaakyat at bumababa ito? Alam niyo ba na yung paniwala na ang stock market investing na walang volatility ay isa lamang ilusyon na para na rin sinabi mo na may isang coaching tumatakbo ng walang makina? Like it or not, the two concepts invariably go hand in hand. Pero ibig bang sabihin nito ay dapat mo na ring iwasan ang volatility and investing altogether? Ang maikling sagot ay dapat hindi. Market uncertainties can naturally cause panic and lead to poor investment decisions. Yet, by recognizing short-term market uncertainty for what it is, ay makakatulong siguraduhin na hindi ito magiging dahilan para madiskaril ka sa iyong mga long-term goals and objectives. Sa araw po nito, ay inihanda namin ang ilan sa mga tips on how you can manage and potentially benefit from market volatilities. Here are 5 tried and tested principles that hopefully can help you gain that needed perspective. Number 1. Keep calm and carry on. Ang mga investors ay generally nararamdaman ang financial loss na mga 2.5 times higit sa kinita nila sa parehong halaga. Understandably, marami sa atin ang nakakaranas ng roller coaster of emotions pag mag-i-invest, which can translate into poor buy and sell decisions. Ang pagiging aware po ng mga emotions na ito during periods of increased volatility ay makakatulong upang maiwasan yung pagpapanik, kumalma tayo, at manatiling disiplinado and focused on reaching our long-term goals. Number 2. Stay invested. It's time and not timing the market that is important. Wala pong sino man ang kaya makapag-timing ng ups and downs ng market. Tandaan niyo po, walang taong may bolang kristal para mahulaan ang galaw ng merkado. And yes, miski na nga po ang mga experts or seasoned market analysts and fund managers ay hindi rin po kayang gawin ito. Consider the impact of missing the best 10, 20, and 30 days on the value of your 100,000 pesos invested in Philippine stocks over the past 10 years. Pag ikaw ay naghihintay ng akala nating magagandang timing and you are only sitting on the sidelines, it can be very costly. Over a 10-year period, kung hindi nakaposisyon ang pera mo sa market ng miski ilang araw lamang pag magandang performance nito, it can already substantially reduce your returns potentials. Kaya, staying invested, while not always easy, can potentially translate into a better outcome. And this leads us to number 3, which is manage risk and don't try to avoid it. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng risk? In Tagalog, ang risk ay peligro. It is defined as any situation involving exposure to danger. Risk can be a loaded term when it comes to investing at kadalasan din pong hindi natin gaanong naiintindihan. You often hear about risk and volatility in investing. Ngunit, alam niyo ba na ang dalawang konsepto na ito are related but are not the same thing? Risk in finance also refers to the degree of uncertainty and or potential financial loss inherent in an investment decision. Sa kabilang banda, volatility measures kung magkano ang return ng investments mo or how much the broader market fluctuates up and down. While some may fixate on these fluctuations, yung permanent loss of capital ang dapat po nating mas ikinakabahala. Ang pagbabawas ng exposure to securities that are perceived as risky ay sigurado makakapagpababa ng market risk or pagkalugi. Ngunit, pag nangyari ito, ang mga long long-term investors could potentially see the purchasing power of their savings erode faster din naman, and yes, even outlive their savings quicker. So gustuhin man natin o hindi, ang pag-i-invest sa stock market at ang mga risks na meron ito are a package deal. Ang susi po para sa long-term investment success ay ma-manage ang iyong exposure to risk by using time and diversification to your advantage. The more that you are aware of it, the more that you accept it, the better that you will be able to react to it when investing. And so, the next tip is number 4. Put diversification to work. Lagi nating nadidinig, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is a tried and tested technique kung saan ay naghahalo-halo tayo ng iba't ibang types of investment instruments in a portfolio upang pababain ang amount of risk. Tandaan natin na walang iisang asset class ay consistently nasa among the top performers, and the best and worst performers ay maaaring magbago mula sa isang taon hanggang sa susunod na taon. So, it is good to include investments that are less correlated to one another or even react differently to economic and market events dahil ang makikita sa ibang investment instruments ay makakatulong ma-offset ang losses mo sa ibang produkto. A diversified portfolio with different asset classes provides the opportunity to participate in potential gains of each year's top winners while aiming to lessen the negative impact of those at the bottom. Achieving diversification for individual investors can be very challenging. Yung ibang investors may find it easier to diversify within each asset class sa pamamagitan ng paglalagay ng pera sa mga produkto o instrumento na tulad ng mga mutual funds imbis sa individual or direct stocks or securities. And so, last but not the least tip is number 5, which is take advantage of peso cost averaging. Ang peso cost averaging ay isang investment method or strategy na ginagawa para makatulong mabawasan ang risk ng pagtatiming ng iisang lump sum na investment. By investing a fixed peso amount on a regular or consistent basis, ang proseso po ng peso cost averaging or PCA ay nakakatulong makontrol ang epekto ng market volatility by smoothing out the average cost per unit of mutual funds or stocks that are purchased. Sa paglipas ng panahon at sa ilang market conditions, pwede itong magresulta sa mas mababang average cost at mas mataas na return. While it is important to note na ang PCA ay hindi palaging nakakadulot ng mas matataas na kita kumpara sa lump sum investing, this systematic approach can help us investors stay the course by taking the guesswork out of when to invest. Maaring magdulot ng pagkakapariwara sa kanilang financial goals, miski sa mga eksperyensadong investors ang pag-akyat baba ng merkado. Maganda po kung makakahanap tayo ng isang licensed na financial advisor who can help us develop a financial plan, recommend suitable investments, and of course, help us navigate through tough waters. In fact, research on the value of advice has shown na ang mga investors daw po na may financial advisors have even better savings and investment habits and almost 4 times the wealth of those who don't have an advisor. Sa tulong ng mga professionals na ito at pag-iintindi sa inyong initial reactions to markets ups and downs or volatility can surely help you make better investment choices, view your portfolio more objectively, stay the course, and ultimately reach your goals. And so I hope you've learned something new today. If you think you have friends or even relatives who might be in need of these contents, we hope you can share this with them. And for those who haven't yet, please do subscribe to our official YouTube channel, Raffer Financials, and please also follow us on TikTok so we can continue to help you in your financial journey. Again, this has been Jung Fernando saying thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.
So, this is a major factor at ito po ang hatid nito? Siyempre, higher